In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to quickly generate animated video from images in Canva. This is super easy and it's free. It's easy to do. You can just quickly create videos with this method. First, we are going to be picking a video document type. And from here, you can choose the aspect ratio of your video, how you want your video to look like. But for me, I want to be posting this video to YouTube and I don't want to post it as shorts. I want it to be a normal video. So I'm going to pick either the YouTube video landscape or video landscape. Both of them has the same document size. I will pick this one. Our video editor is open, and if we go to design, we'll see here where it says generate videos instantly. I'm going to click on that and you can select the images you want to use in generating or the video clips you want to use in generating your video. So I'm just going to select images from here. You can select up to 10 images. Now that I have my images selected, and it's going to tell me to describe what I want this video to look like. The story here, Miko the mouse can't sleep. Tiki the tortoise takes him to a tree house with magical books. This is my description of the story, and I'm going to click on generate. So quickly, Canva is just going to do its magic here. It's even going to put songs for you. Can you imagine that? It's going to, because I told you the story I have. It says Miko room sunrise. It took the whole images and turned it around. So if you go through it, it added text to the video. I'm going to play this. You see how it generated a full video for us. You can just post this to our YouTube channel. If you want to take it a step further, you can click on any of the pages and click on animate and come down here. You can do page zoom. You can now apply that to all pages. If you don't like this transition it has, you can just hover your mouse and come to the transition here, and it opens up the transition. You can select the one you like or the direction you want it to be going. Yeah, but I like it as it is. And I'm going to click on share here, click on download. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.